We have new updated numbers about Tesla Giga Berlin's production and how the production is going at Giga Berlin. According to Automobilwoche, German publication, Tesla will only produce around 30,000 vehicles in the new Gigafactory Berlin by the end of this year. We were hoping a little bit more, but that's going to be around between 30,000 and I'm going to say 50,000, and I will explain why. The factory is designed for 500,000 electric vehicles a year in the first expansion stage, but we're looking between 30,000 and 50,000, and I'm going to tell you how many they are making per week model-wise at Giga Berlin. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and help us to reach the goal of 100,000 subscribers, please. A new report coming out of Germany is giving us some insights into the state of Giga Berlin's production ramp-up, which is apparently now producing about 350 Model Y electric vehicles per week. Why? The bulls like it and the bears say it's bad because it's too little. Now, what do you think? 350 Model Ys per week. Is this good for this stage or no? Little bit later, I'm going to tell you that Tesla Giga Berlin is going to be shut down for about 3 weeks in the fall, and for what reason I will tell you in a moment. Tesla just started production at Giga Berlin a month ago, but the start of production is not as important as the ramp up to volume production. Volume production is what we're looking for, so we know when Tesla will be able to make 500,000 electric vehicles a year at Giga Berlin. Now, a new report from Germany's Automobilwoche claims to have sources sharing data from inside Gigafactory Berlin. The publication claims that Tesla is currently producing 350 Model Y electric vehicles per week at the German Gigafactory. According to the same sources, Tesla is aiming to ramp up production to 1,000 units per week by the end of the month. Now, 1,000 units a week means about 50,000 vehicles a year. But keep in mind that Tesla started in mid-March. Plus, Tesla is not yet making 1,000 vehicles a year, actually 1,000 vehicles a week, but only going to get there maybe in a few weeks. Therefore, the number that we're expecting by the end of the year may be close to the conservative scenario is 30,000 vehicles by the end of the year, and the best scenario 50,000 vehicles. Now, as Tesla confirmed when launching the factory, the Model Y vehicles currently being produced at Giga Berlin are equipped with the currently used 2170 battery cells. The Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that Tesla aimed to switch to its new structural battery pack architecture powered by its new 4680 battery cells in a few months, and as Bloomberg reports, Tesla will shut down Giga Berlin for about 3 weeks to switch to 4680 battery cells. You know, this is a huge change. Now, the report states that this is going to happen closer to the end of the year, and it will require factory shutdown that will last, like I said, a few weeks. Now, it's funny because you have Tesla bulls saying that these numbers are great news, while the Tesla bears are saying that these numbers highlight serious issues in production ramp. Personally, I don't think they highlight serious issues. They look good to me, especially if they can indeed achieve 1,000 vehicles per week within the next 2 weeks. That's already an annualized production capacity of 50,000 units, and if they go more than 1,000 per week by the end of maybe September or so, that means we can pass the 50,000 or even make, who knows, 100,000 vehicles by the end of December. I don't know. Let's see how things go. I never expected personally significant volume from Giga Berlin right now immediately until toward the end of the year. Especially, we should expect significant value after Tesla shuts down Giga Berlin for a few weeks and then restarts production with full force with 4680 batteries. Now, it will But the concern for me is the change to 4680 battery cells. It is a significant change to the production, and it is likely to affect the production capacity for a while. Like I said, it will be something to keep a close eye, friends, and I'm going to bring you all the reports. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think this is bullish or bearish? The numbers, I think this is a normal production ramp, neither outstanding nor slow. At the end of quarter two is where we can really judge where things are going. and this is great news. I think also say some people, I didn't realize they would have so much downtime switching to 4680s. Correct, I agree. No matter, every electric vehicle they make in Germany is an electric vehicle they don't have to ship from China, so that's going to lessen the stress on Giga Shanghai, which apparently has started limited production today, and is going full production apparently tomorrow. I may have a special report on that coming from Giga Shanghai, what is happening with the production. So please subscribe to our channel and keep an eye on it, as I'm going to, within an hour or so, I will bring you another report from Giga Shanghai. God bless you everyone, peace be with all of you, and happy Easter if you celebrated Easter yesterday, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Almost all supply bays at the Tesla Giga Berlin's body in white and general assembly are occupied, and car trucks are waiting to pick up the Model Y and transport them throughout Europe. Yesterday I promised that I will have a report about Tesla Giga Berlin sending trucks of Model Y toward east, toward possibly Romania, but it looks like there is an update on that story, that it's not only Romania, but it's the Romanian truck drivers that are taking cars to throughout Europe. But now what's interesting, the production is running at Tesla Giga Berlin, because almost all supply bays, as you can see from Jürgen's images that he shares at Gigafactory Berlin Brandenburg Twitter page, are occupied, and with body in white and general assembly places are occupied with car trucks waiting to be picked up. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Hari, and I have very exciting news about Tesla Giga Berlin today. Please subscribe to our channel, help us to reach 100,000 subscriber goal. We have 70,000, hopefully by mid-year. With your help we will reach that goal. I would greatly appreciate it. A lot of interesting things are happening at Giga Berlin, friends. Tesla's brand new Gigafactory near Berlin, Germany, just officially opened on March 22nd, 2022. As promised during the event, CEO Elon Musk delivered the first 30 German-made Model Y crossovers to customers, and now Tesla is sending Model Y vehicles from Giga Berlin throughout Europe. We have heard reports from Denmark, Italy, now east, and everywhere. However, there have been questions surrounding when the US electric automaker will be ramping up production and delivering more Model Ys. It appears it has already begun. If you have not missed my previous stories, I have several reports about Tesla Giga Berlin's ramp-up numbers, what happens next in Grünheide and in Giga Berlin. Look them up, friends. They're very interesting reports that will give you full picture. Now, based on footage from various drone operators and images, Tesla is already transporting Model Y crossovers away from the factory grounds to begin deliveries. According to an article by Tesla Radio, drone videographer Tobias Lind captured footage of Model Y vehicles leaving Giga Berlin. I reported this a couple of days ago. Now you can watch Lind's latest video. I will have the link in the description of this video. He told Tesla Radio that Model Y SUVs have officially been delivered in multiple countries, including Denmark, Italy, and Netherlands. If the drone footage isn't enough to convince you that Tesla is now delivering more Model Y crossovers in Germany, or you have a different explanation for the electric SUVs on car carriers, there is more news to substantiate the situation. New Model Y owners in Germany and beyond are beginning to report that they have taken delivery of their Tesla vehicles. We have seen that on their Twitter accounts. Tesla Radio also points to Gigafactory Berlin Brandenburg on Twitter, since it has posted multiple images of the German-made Model Y deliveries underway in various European countries. This is very important, good news for Tesla, friends, because Tesla Giga Shanghai is now closed because of this virus outbreak in China. This is why Model Y production ramp up in Giga Berlin becomes even more important for Tesla's figures and numbers that we will see coming from the first quarter of 2022. Very minor numbers there, because Tesla just started last week at Giga Berlin, but also mainly the second quarter of Tesla's number of 2022 should be very promising numbers coming from Giga Berlin. So please subscribe to our channel and also help us to reach our goal, because we will bring these numbers to you. Several other posts on Twitter are now popping up on social media related to Model Y deliveries from Giga Berlin. Twitter account Bestlin Tesla that tweets at Tesla Best handle posted a tweet which takes us to an informative video about made in Germany Tesla Model Y. showing how that the video is. So a lot of good things, a lot of new developments at Giga Berlin. What do you think, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Please again subscribe to our channel. Help us to reach our goal and grow this channel, as we will bring you daily Tesla news. Wonderful day, everybody. God bless you. Peace be with all of you and to the world. And let's move on to our next Tesla story.